I'll be talking about the Decathlon. Talking about Decathlon, firstly I would like to talk about the store layout. Decathlon has a warehouse type open space design of its own store, which is properly planned to have a better navigation of customers, maximum visibility of products. The store is divided into sports subcategories that allows to find the equipments of various type of activities, cycling, running and tracking. And next, coming to the flooring, Decathlon stores are normally covered with polished, concentrated and extremely durable vinyl flooring used due to the resilient, easy, maintainable and industrial property. These are the kind of material that are more suited to heavy football and movement of large heavy sports equipments. Thank you.
Talking about the space allocation. So the space allocation, store layout is designed for optimal product placement and smooth operation. Every zone has a very different segment. Like in the bicycle segment, all the gears of the bicycle have put it in the bicycle section. And if I talk about the swimming section, all the swimming equipments are put on the separate side of the swimming sections. And there is a separate section for customer service, product trials and fitting rooms and checkouts. Talking about the lighting system. First is energy efficient LED lighting. Decathlon uses LED lights to save energy and ensure long lasting performance. Second is brightening and even illuminating lighting. Lighting is designed to provide uniform brightness across the store. And customer experience aim to create a welcome and pleasant shopping environment for betterment experience in the Decathlon store.
I will be talking about the fitting rooms of Decathlon. Firstly, there are two types of service that they provide. First is the privacy, comfort and functionality. This is the main purpose of a fitting room. For example, people who shop through Decathlon, they can have the privacy in the fitting room, they have their own comfort, and the functionality includes how they can, if they want to wear a sports wear, they can easily try it. And then comes the other facilities of the fitting room. It comes with a good lighting. There are various types of bulbs which enhance your product visibility, and how when the customer wears, they actually find themselves more good in that sportswear. Then comes the seating. In the seating, we can talk about how everything is arranged when a person is also waiting outside the fitting room. Then comes the cloth hanger, which is the most important part. They have specially designed, and sometimes they make this cloth hanger based on the sports themes. Now we will be talking about checkout counters. First of all, Decathlon has two types of counters. First is the traditional manned counters. Then comes the self-checkout zones. In the traditional manned counters, it is generally the traditional style, that is, a person would be waiting at the counter and you have to bill your items in that. And there are many people who are at the counter so that your speed gets increased. To save the time of the customer, they have made a self-checkout zones. In this, every product has a RFID, and with the RFID, you can easily track your product and you can assess the charges that it has. It is very time saving, and also in this self-checkout zone, people are more reluctant to buy more because they know their billing will be fast, so they buy more. Thank you. We're talking about the storage areas. First, the storage areas are huge because of high volume of products, and because of this huge storage area, they can easily track their inventory and they can replenish it whenever it decreases. And in order to do so, they also do speed inventory replacement with this high volume and good connection of network. And these storage area also act as a storage area for online purchases through Decathlon. In this, the online purchases, whenever someone gives an order, the person who is at the back end of the order tracker, they inform the storage area personnel and they organize the product. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ritam, and today I'm going to talk about visual merchandise in Decathlon. Visual merchandise is used to attract people and customers, and to also enhance impulse buying behavior in them. And in Decathlon, sports specific zoning area, like specific type of related sports equipments are kept in category wise in specific areas to make customer navigate in that area easily. And interactive sports demos are also available there, like people can try and test the product before buying. And thematic decor is also done in Decathlon according to the season, like in monsoon time the trekking equipments are available in one area, and it is there to enhance the customers buying behavior. And cross merchandising is also done, like yoga mats are placed in with water bottles, and so that the yoga enthusiast can purchase from that specific zone. Next, we are going to talk about window display and mannequins. In Decathlon, open window display design is followed to provide customers a complete view of the store and what all products are available inside the store. And talking about the mannequins, mannequins are dressed in with full sports gear to for the customers so that they can know how the sports gears will look on them. Talking about signage and props, large and bold directional signage were used in all across the Decathlon store to for easy navigation of customer across store. And sports themed props were also placed strategically all around the store design.
Myself Abhinav, and talking about the shelf arrangement and product placement, I think eye level placement, as it talks about the main products of the company, and the high margin products are placed at that particular level in order to be an eye catching thing for the customer. Talking about the color theme, blue and white dominate branding colors for consistency, with accent colors like green, orange, yellow, highlighting the offers of sports, which is an enthusiastic part and the main part and of Decathlon. Talking about the seasonal and festive decor, summers, bright tones, soft color, swimming classes are on display. Talking about the monsoon part, rain jacket, waterproof bags, these were there on the props as well as displayed in the side of it in order to have an attraction for the customers and to get them sold those products in the market. Talking about the festivals, special discount signages, colorful flags and limited editions were also displayed over there for making the sales and boosting the overall sales of the company. The impact on consumer behavior, enhanced visibility, strategic placement ensures high demand for better placement of the products and high sales growth. Talking about the increased attractiveness, dynamic displays on the mannequins are there, which helps them to craft their stories and make the sales possible for the customers. Talking about the impulse buying, some accessories are also placed over there in order to give the impulse buying behavior, knowing about the impulse buying behavior of the customer in order to make unplanned sales and increase the sales volume for the company as a whole.